The reason many people are exhausted today. Iba pagod na pagod sa buhay. Hindi dahil masyadong pagod sa problema. And the reason why many people are exhausted today is because they are trying to become someone God never created them to be. Hindi yun ang pagkakalikha sa'yo. May mga taong pagod, hindi dahil sa dami ng kanilang ginagawa. Napapagod sila kasi araw-araw silang nagpapanggap. They pretend to be somebody they are not, and that is so exhausting. We become exhausted because we try to fit in, we try to impress people we actually never liked. But you get tired of impressing them, you get tired of trying to fit in, you get tired of being accepted. Ang identity na galing sa ibang tao will always be unstable. Pero kapag nakatayo ang identity mo sa salita ng Panginoon, kahit anong bagyo ang dumating, hindi ka matitinag, kapatid.